Okay, student, in this video, I want to show you that actually once we finish experiment and we deploy the web service, actually this we get back to our three the sum of our web service. Like last time, we just finished the demand forecast of time series data. Okay, let's take a look at this. We go to web service, and then we can see that request response. This is we get the predictions one at a time, and we can do batch execution. Uh, Batch mean we can do the prediction for several sample at the same time. So actually, we can just go and click the Excel sheet. I think some of you can already fix the problem. Okay, and then let's say I want to download this Excel. Okay, and then I can just go and like okay. Now you will see the Azure Machine Learning on the right hand here. You can click this one, demand forecast, and you can see the schema of the data. So this is all the features that you can put into the Excel. Okay, and this is a schema of the output. Okay, let's see. I will get the data from the, I will take some, let's say I will use, if I use sample data, like this one, okay, I take some of the example of the data, okay, and with the data header, so I can use these data as an input, okay, use all of these here, okay, I can select all of this as an input. Okay, and then I select all this part, and then I click OK. So this is gonna be my input. And actually, do you remember that we want to predict what column count, right? Because this is a bicycle that show the hourly rental number of bicycle that we have. Like this is a casual register, so this one sum with this one, get this one, right? So let's see. We want to see the output. For example, we just want to see the output somewhere here. Okay, here. Okay. Let's A10. Okay, put like A10. A10 is output. Okay, and then I can predict. Click predict, and once I click predict, I will get the the data of the output. Okay, based on this schema. That means it's gonna be a season, it's gonna be year, it's gonna be month, it's gonna be hour, holiday, blah blah blah. Okay, and then it's gonna be finally I have the score label, like so the predictions, the actual it's 16, but my predictions it's 6. Okay, not very good. The actual data is 40. My prediction is 12. The actual data is 13, but my prediction is 28. Okay, and this is 13. The actual is 13, and it's 13 something. It's quite. This one is quite correct. Okay. So that is what we use for predictions. Okay, we use the data for. You can use Excel for predictions. Okay, let's say just try to do something else. Okay, now I can go to like Titanic data, and then I can download the Excel, right? And I'm going to use this to predict survive or not survive, right? And then I can use this for predictions. Okay, I can click this, and then I can view the schema. Okay, these are the input structure, and these are the output that we can use. Okay, let's see the input. I will take the input from the sample data. Like once I click here, I get like sample data for predictions. Okay, and I will use these data as I want to predict this sample data. Okay, what I want to predict, it's what column? It's passenger pass name 6 text where Kevin embarked. Okay, so let's see what I can predict. It's survive or not survive, right? I will put let's say A9. Sorry, not this one here. A9. Then predict. Okay, I have like this passenger. Um, the label it's like 0 because 0 is not survive, right? 1 is survive. So the prediction for this guy, this passenger, it's the score label. So this is our predictions. It's 0. So that means they in this data set, all of them are not survive. Okay, so that is how we use the Excel to predict. Okay, so you can create this by yourself if you want to predict new data, not just from the exact sample. Okay, so that is how we use the Excel sheet for